Hi everyone, so in this video I'll be showing you two models with the same kind of method. These are the Hina dolls. There's one for a female and one for a male version. So I'll start off with my paper. I'll fold it in half on the diagonal and lengthways so I can do the prep steps for a square base. So I'll be making two models with the same process. There'll be one or two steps that'll be slightly different. Here's another fun way to do the square base. If you fold those triangular sections on the left and right, you can fold these over like so and then spread out the middle to open up and then flatten into shape. Pretty cool. From here, I'll do the steps to make a crane base. So I'll use the open end. I'll fold the bottom edges to the center. I'll flip over to the other side and do the same here. And then I'll use the top half, I'll fold that downwards and reinforce it on both sides so I can do the next steps for the bird base. Now I'll unfold all of this and I'll open up these flaps. So grabbing the open end, I'll pull this up all the way as far as it can go, and then I'll spread out the middle section. This side got a little bit messy, so here we go. I'll open up this part and I'll flatten it into the diamond shape, as you can see is pointing out from the other side. This will be very unexpected, but I'm going to make a little slit in the middle of the bird base, and I'll do this on both sides. So I'll cut each of those triangular sections from the middle outwards. Then I'll pop this back on the table and I'll fold the top section down. I'll flip over to the other side and do the same. Now I'll fold the upper right edge to the middle crease. And I'll open this up into a squash fold. And then I'll repeat this on the other sides. I'll flip this over to the left and then keep going. From here, fold the left over to the right, and then I'll flip over to the other side and do the same. I'll take the lower section and using the uppermost layer, I'll fold this so that the middle has two little triangular sections pointing towards each other. Then I'll take the top part and bring this down on a mountain fold. Using this crease that I've just made, I'll be cutting in this little section here. I will make a triangle using my scissors because I'll need to feed through that middle point of the bird base through this hole. To make the Obina, you'll do a slit at this step. And then we'll continue on. Fold the right over to the left. There's a few layers at this point. Then I'll take the upper layer and I'll fold this on a 90-degree kind of angle. These are the arms of the Hina dolls. So I'll fold the middle section over, fold that over to the right, and then I'll make the other arm by mirroring that step. Then fold the middle section over to the left, opening it up, and I'll flip to the other side. This is where I'll feed the tip through the hole. Using the layer that has the triangle in it that we cut out, I'll make a fold just above that. The tip of this will be tucked into the hole as well, so I'll do a mountain fold like so, and I'll feed it through the hole. My trusty toothpick comes in handy for these kinds of things. Here you can see the fold that I did just above the cut of the triangle. We're getting there, so the next step is to use the bottom section, fold this in half, and then I'll make one more valley fold just below that. And then I'll tuck this into the hole as well. Flip the paper over, curl the paper so that it's got a rounded edge, and you can secure the tips of the arms together with glue. And then to finish off the Obina, take each of the arms and tuck into the middle of the body. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.